Welcome. In today's video, we're going to show you exactly how to disable the location permission for the Facebook app on your PC with the latest update. Whether you're looking to boost your privacy or just prefer not to share your location, these easy steps will help you get it done in under a minute. Let's jump right in. First, open the Facebook app on your PC. If you're using Windows 10 or 11, this will be the version you downloaded from the Microsoft Store. Once it's open, go to the top right corner of the window. Look for the 3 vertical dots. It's a small icon, also known as the Options menu. Click on it. From there, a drop-down menu will appear. Choose App Info. This will redirect you to a new window where you can adjust the app's settings directly from the system. In the App Info section, scroll until you find the Permissions or Settings option, depending on your Windows version. Click on it to access a list of permissions the Facebook app has on your device. Now, find and click on Location. This is where you can manage whether the app has access to your location data. You'll see a toggle switch or permission setting there. Simply switch it off or choose the option that says Don't Allow or Block, depending on your operating system. And that's it. You've just disabled location permissions for the Facebook app on your PC. This means Facebook will no longer be able to access your location while you use the app through the desktop. Disabling this setting won't impact your ability to use Facebook, but it will give you a little more privacy and control over your personal data. If you ever want to turn it back on, just follow the same steps and switch the location back to Allow. Thanks for watching. If this helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more simple tech tips. See you in the next one.